Hello, we're going to be taking a look at a stoichiometry problem, grams to grams, based on this equation. We'll be taking some solid zinc, pure zinc element, and some solid sulfur, pure sulfur element, and reacting them together to make zinc sulfide. Now notice this equation is balanced. It's a 1:1:1 ratio. So we're going to pose the question of how many grams of sulfur would be needed to react perfectly, no leftovers, with 5 grams of zinc. Now to do this problem you need a periodic table and a calculator. So we'll start out checking to make sure our equation is balanced, which it is. And we're going to consider our 5 grams of zinc. Now grams is a great unit, but it's not what the balanced equation shows. The balanced equation shows that 1 mole of zinc needs 1 mole of sulfur. So we need to change our grams of zinc to moles of zinc. So we'll say 1 mole of zinc equals, and then we pick up our periodic table, and it says 65.38 grams. So 65.38 grams is the weight of 1 mole of zinc. So now units will cancel, and I've got moles of zinc. Then we know 1 mole of zinc requires 1 mole of sulfur, and we can show that as a mole ratio, that 1 mole of zinc requires 1 mole of sulfur. So now our moles of zinc cancel, and we have moles of sulfur. Now we need our periodic table again. And we look, and it says that sulfur is 32.06 grams for 1 mole. So we'll say 1 mole of sulfur is 32.06 grams. So our moles of sulfur cancel. And we see we wanted to know how many grams of sulfur, and we have grams of sulfur. So we're done with the setup. Now we just get out the calculator. And on the calculator, I'm going to put in 5 divided by 63.38. And then I can skip the 1:1 because, they will cancel out. And then times 32.06. And on my calculator, I get 3 sig figs. So I'll say 2.45. 2.45 grams of sulfur are required to perfectly react with 5 grams of zinc. So that's a simple grams problem if we're trying to figure out how many grams of one need to be reacted with the other. What if we wanted to know, if I had 5 grams of zinc, how many grams of zinc sulfide could I make? So how many grams of zinc sulfide could I make with my 5.00 grams of zinc? So I happen to know I'll still be using 2.45 grams of sulfur, but how much product do I make? So I'll start out, once again, with my 5.00 grams of zinc, and you have to change it to moles. So 1 mole of zinc is 65.38 grams of zinc. By the way, you might be noticing that MOLE can be abbreviated MOL. It saves a little time. But now instead of caring about sulfur, we're caring about the zinc sulfide. So I'm going to say that 1 mole of zinc will make 1 mole of zinc sulfide. So I'll put my mole of zinc on the bottom so it cancels out over there. And it will make 1 mole of zinc sulfide. And then the last, cancel things out along the way. And now I need one more number. I need the total of zinc sulfide. So on the side down here, I'm going to add up a zinc, which I know was 65.38 grams per mole. I'm going to add up a sulfur, which I know was 32.06 grams per mole. Again, I got these from the periodic table. I happen to have used them already, so they're easy to find. But add those up, and you get 4, 4, 7, 9. So 1 mole of zinc sulfide equals 97.44 grams. So I can put my 97 97.44 grams equals 1 mole of zinc sulfide. So now the moles of zinc sulfide cancel out, and once again, I get out my calculator, and I'm going to do 5 divided by 65.38, and then times times 97.44. And I get, with my 3 sig figs, 7.45 grams. So 7.45 grams of, I can write it here, zinc sulfide was my final answer for how many grams of zinc sulfide could be made with 5 grams of zinc. And here's what the reaction would look like with powdered zinc and powdered sulfur.
It's burning by itself. It is not supposed to do it this way. Okay, what's that? And you guys, the beauty of this is that I'm recording this. Oh, life is just way too good. Life is good. Wait.
Did you not know that was coming?
I had never, no. I knew there was a lot of energy in there. But that's how it ends up looking.
That's not the way.
That is so nasty.
Okay, now what was actually supposed to do? Oh my god!
Wow.
Should we assume that that is not safe to do at my house?
Yeah, that's not a good thing to do in the kitchen.
That was really